Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters. I am Dr. Divagaran Cochin. My subject is medical science and astrology, and today I am going to speak about the horoscope of the bankers and the money lenders. The banking sector in today's world plays a major role in global development activities. Many countries draw monetary resources from their own banks, from international banks and also the World Bank. The Reserve Bank of India has a major part in controlling inflections and the growth of the country in the economy of the country. The economy is very important. Now, this year 2020 is ruled by Rahu, and all the economical growth is come down about 5 to 10% in the world. To the layman, the bank is a means to deposit his earnings or savings through deposits and mutual bonds. To him, it also provides loans for many of his needs against collateral securities, and repayments is made easier through lower interest rates over a prolonged period of time. The housing loan, industrial loan, vehicle loan, etc. are provided by the bank. The most of the people who wants to construct their house, they have to approach the bank to get the housing loan. There are two types of interest are there. One is the diminishing balance and another is the normal. Because of the interest, if you are taking a loan from the bank for a period of 15 years, if you take 10 lakh rupees, the 10 lakh rupees, 10.5 at the rate of now, the present interest rate will be 10.5. Then the 10 lakh multiplied by 15 years into 10.5, that the interest is must be added to the product and then divided into 15 years. The diminishing balance, the State Bank of India and other national banks are providing the diminishing balance of interest that will be very good for the person who takes the loan. The second house is very important. The sixth house, we are providing the loans and things. The ബാധ്യത, കടബാധ്യത എക്സെട്ര. ഒരാൾക്ക് കടബാധ്യത ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത് അയാളുടെ ആറാം ഭാവം കൊണ്ടാണ് അരാതി രോഗാത്യം അരാതിനാഥവും പ്രതീശ്വരവും മൃത്യു ഭയങ്കരവും ഭയങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടാകുക, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ കടം ഉണ്ടാകുക, ബാധ്യത ഉണ്ടാകുന്നതൊക്കെ എല്ലാം. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് അയാൾക്ക് അടച്ചു തീർക്കാൻ സാധിച്ചില്ലെങ്കിൽ അയാളുടെ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി എല്ലാം ബാങ്ക് ജപ്തി ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് പോകും. അപ്പോൾ ഈ കോമ്പൗണ്ടിങ് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ഈസ് very bad to the natives. Thus, the housing and professional education, which were once the privileges of the rich, can be assessed even by middle or lower middle classes people. Credit and debit cards, ATM facilities, banking through internet have all made the cumbersome procedure easier, and people need not have to go to the bank to get their cash or other services. A host of other services provided by the banks are payment of the life insurance premium, electricity bills, water bills, and telephone bills, and municipal taxes. Banks also act as stockbrokers, purchasing large amount of stocks and distributing them for public use. They also act as insurance agents, canvassing for many agencies. Thus, banking has become an important coordinator for many of our day-to-day needs. Banking in recent times has two different functions. General banking, the employees are involved in the services of their customers. Number two, personal banking, the employees look into the personal needs of their clients. They take personal interest in individual customers and try to fulfill their various personal needs like housing, vehicle purchase, real estate, and various other loans for urgent requirements. Banking employees, other than catering to the needs of the public, have the responsibility of looking after the welfare of their subordinates, their aspirations and grievances, transfers, promotions, etc. Administration like the chairman and the directors are concerned with major policy or decisions involving the economic sector and financial transactions. The decisions about change in the interest rate for both lending and borrowing are to be taken by the higher officials of the bank as per the directions of the Reserve Bank of India. Considering all these factors of banking, the astrological factor can also be identified. Jupiter, the Dhanakaraka, has a major play in the charts of bankers. Next to him comes Mercury, as he is the one involved in the trade. The moon also occupies a key position as he rules the general public. The earthy sign Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn are strong in the charts of bankers, as these signs are ruled practically, which is an important request since authority and administration of also are also involved. Mars also along with Jupiter enters the picture. So do fiery signs, good experts between Mars, Sun and Jupiter are seen in the most cases of successful bankers holding high authorities posts. The second, sixth, and tenth houses will be interrelated as the second ruler finance and the sixth services and looking after the subordinates. The I'll say you one chart. The chart one is the chairman of an important bank who has been very successfully in his career. Taurus, the second sign of the zodiac, rises with its Lord Venus in the second, in the close conjunction with its Lord Mercury. The Lagna Lord in the second is very good for a banker. A Mercury Venus conjunction is aspected by Jupiter from the sixth, so the second house is strong with the influences of the three natural benefits. The sixth has a Jupiter Moon combination with Jupiter aspecting the tenth. Cancer is the Aruda Lagna and has a Sun Saturn combinations making him a hard taskmaster but a popular figure. The Sun Saturn combination is in sextile to Lagna places Mars and this has given him administrative capacity. The conjunction of the lords of the first is Lagna and fifth Prajna, Pradibha, Medha, Vegashakti, Puradhanam Punyam, Mandramadhya Tanujaha, and of the lords of the 4th and 9th are Raja Yogas. In Navamshaga, Pisces rises with its Lord Jupiter in the 3rd with Mercury. The 6th has the Lord of the 2nd and 9th Mars. In Mercury Dasha, the native occupied in the highest seat of the administration. The 10th Lord Saturn is in the Navamshaga of Jupiter. Mars is in his own star. Mercury, Venus and Jupiter are in the stars of Jupiter. So similarly, the person who are belong to the higher post, the chairman post or something in the bank, as their second lord is very powerful, Jupiter and Mars combination also very good. If the Raja Yoga in the horoscope, he can manage, he can get the bank profitably. Thank you very much. If you like my subject, please subscribe it and the bell button switch on. I'll come tomorrow with other subject.